Okay. So, yesterday, I did a few tasks, but my biggest task was I was supposed to cook yesterday. I cut up the chicken, which was a whole chicken, which I never, ever, okay, truck, rude, which I never, ever have cut a whole chicken in my life. So, I cut up the whole chicken. Hold on, excuse me. So, I did that right. His mama came home early and I did that right. So I cut up the whole chicken. That was like a success for me. But I was nervous on cooking the chicken because I've never cooked the whole chicken. Even though I cut it up, I was still a little nervous. Not even about seasoning because I'm very good with seasoning, but just nervous. Like the whole family gonna come home and they're gonna want to eat. And then what if my food nasty and they don't eat it? So that's why I chickened out yesterday. But mommy came home and she pretty much helped me out. She made she fried it first and then she put some barbecue sauce on it. Then she made some gravy with the barbecue sauce. And then of course we have rice. Rice is really good. We eat it a lot right here. Rice and we also have a lot of dumplings, which I fucking love dumplings. I might make me some today with a little sauce. Who knows? I mean, I got time. And it's so pretty outside. Look at there. Look at there behind me. Oh my God, so nice. But hubby's at work. So he called and checked up on me. And so I'm just chilling for right now. Just sitting on the porch, smoking and trying on new lipstick. You like my vampire black lipstick? Yeah, I like it. And this is my little Rasta hat, which I'm gonna have to start wearing because I keep on messing up all hubby white tees with my red hair. Right? Red hair girl problems. So, alright, later. Queen Mo, but you already know because my words flow. Hey.